With the help of Microsoft Azure's cloud platform, InfoBoard is now also accessible via your web browser. For this purpose, the InfoBoard team will set up a personal Microsoft account and send you the corresponding link to register. After logging into Microsoft, you will find the InfoBoard client. Next comes the authentication for this client, and that's it. Now you're already on the planning board, which can be operated as usual. With the mouse, orders can be moved and extended as you're used to. Scheduling new orders in the existing resources is simple as always. With InfoBoard-Cloud, it is possible to access all familiar options from anywhere you are.